Coins with Syrup here, and today we're looking at the Sacagawea dollar coin. We got a proof here, and we're looking at this because today we got our gold one from the mint, so we're gonna unbox it. Let's go ahead and open the box. Alright, there it is. 25th anniversary Sacagawea golden dollar. It's a ½ ounce of 24 karat gold. It's got a proof finish, just like the one I showed before. So let's go ahead and compare them. It'd be cool if they would have put her picture on the clamshell. Looks really good. It's a little bigger than the regular one, it looks like. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. So yeah, it is a little bigger than, or it actually might be the same size. Yeah, I think they are the same size. Definitely a lot of detail in this one. Yeah, that's really nice. You can definitely feel the weight on it since it's pure gold. But that's the end of this video. I appreciate everyone watching, and I will talk to you guys on the next video.